Hey everyone, welcome back to Freshly Smooth. Today we're making a purple smoothie bowl. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of frozen pink dragon fruit, 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, 1 cup of frozen green grapes, 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts, 1 teaspoon of blue spirulina. The star ingredient here is the frozen pink dragon fruit. It's loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. It's fantastic for boosting your immune system and supporting digestion. Frozen mixed berries packed with vitamins and minerals to give our smoothie slightly sweet flavor. Those berries are known for their antioxidant properties and can help reduce inflammation. To enhance the nutritional profile even further, I have included green grapes. They add a refreshing touch and are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Grapes are also known to support heart health. For an extra punch of protein and healthy fats, I added some hemp hearts. Those little powerhouses are a complete protein source and contain essential omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, promoting brain health and reducing inflammation. Finally, blue spirulina. Not only it turns our smoothie into a vibrant purple color, it's also a fantastic source of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Blue spirulina has been praised for its potential anti-inflammatory and detoxifying effects. For our toppings, I will sprinkle some shredded coconut, which adds a delightful tropical flavor and texture. And of course, we can't forget the star ingredient, more dragon fruit. Our purple smoothie is ready. The nutritious and delicious bowl is a fantastic way to kickstart your day or indulge in a healthy treat. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, all of which contribute for a strong immune system, good digestion, and overall well-being. I hope you liked this recipe as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!